ده الذكاء اللي جابك يسري مين هي أديب
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm a
Headshot.
assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society. Strength, money, clout, fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make it. All of insecurities are on this is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague. I'm mentally weak. No mercy. All I got is working. Never stop searching. Never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic. With this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic, chaotic.
فيديو أوبي
Sipping on a gin and tonic. Talk it good. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. There's no way you don't want it. Yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy. I bleed in high intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Stretches like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Headshot.
منه غير 3%
استني بس
هو حظ والله بس هيجيله ان شاء الله
Vedete, o venetti?
يجي لك
Io vi si No, no, besab.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do and like I said. Everything you know that you regret. Let them guide your life towards regret.
Double kill.
But with every breath, my past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the rest of time just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, tell yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a climb. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. New friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find your passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Double kill.
Rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. You're silently scared, but you figure it out.
Ultra kill. Grand kill.
Easy for
Headshot.
Everyone's something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming in the that I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and just pay back. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I will make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I can walk right on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. Keep moving, rise up on your drum. I'll make it look like
Excellent.
won't bother hiding out.
Double kill.
Finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. It's your chance to be ruthless.
لا شكرا اتبدلت يا رب ارجع العب برايفل بكرامتي
لا بوم بيعمل
Defense.
black.
Double kill.
اخوف والله
Defense. Ultra kill. Headshot.
لكن فين بيلعب بايكي
Flag returned.
Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind, I manifest it. Every morning, I wake up and everything I do, I manifest. Deep within my mind, you know I'll always never trust it.
كلب ايزي
Team victorious.